What's up and welcome to another video. I'm 7beat. Today we're going to create an Afrobeat which is inspired by a track from Joeboy's Sip. In this video I'm going to use the Afrobeat producer kit, highly recommended. It includes all the sounds which you need to create Afrobeats in 2022. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to create an emotional but simple beat. So first I'm going to adjust the BPM to 100. And then I'm going to use Analog Lab. Analog Lab contains some awesome synths to create Afrobeat. So I'm going to select keys. I'm going to use this 80s FM EP. And I'm going to create this in C minor. So I'm going to start off with this C, D sharp and G. Then this D sharp, A sharp, A sharp, and F. Then I'm going to select half step. So I've turned the melody 1 octave and play around with the velocity, and right now it sounds like this. So right now we're going to add some more layers. So in this case I'm going to use Flex, which is a stock plugin from FL Studio. And then we're going to select a guitar. I found this muted guitar, and right now I'm just going to copy those notes like this, paste it into this one. I'm just going to use this one as a layer in the background. So I'm going to remove those low frequencies. Alright, now I'm going to add another layer. I'm going to use Purity. So and this will be a bass. So I'm going to select preset, bass guitar. Yeah, let's just use this E-bass 1. So right now we're going to select the bass notes from the original melody, paste it into this one, remove this one. And right now we're going to do something different. So right now we're going to create that kind of underwater sound. So I'm going to use an EQ. And you could use the Fruity stock EQ, but I'm going to use Pro Q3. And use a high cut filter. I also use a low cut filter. And then we're going to add the RC20, remove the wobble and the noise. And then we're going to add some more reverb. So that's it, and right now I'm going to add some drums. So I'm going to use my new Afrobeat producer kit, drum one shots. So I'm going to paste it into the arrangement. Or maybe first start off with a shaker loop. So I'm going to start off with Pammy shaker loop. So I've added the shaker loop, and right now we're going to start off with the drum one shots. So just first let's start off with a kick. So let's use this one. And then we're going to use some snare alternatives to create something original. Just let's use this one and 7. And we're just going to create that triplet pattern like this. Copy it into snare 7. But right now we have to play around with the key of those samples. So for example, half an octave lower. And play around with 7. So I'm gonna leave it this way. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna create a simple kick pattern like this. And then I'm gonna select some percussions. So I'm gonna select toms, natural, bongo. So I'm gonna use bongo 26. For example, add another percussion, clave, this one. So I'm gonna select 5. So creating something like this. So I've made an adjustment to the purity bass sound because I thought it doesn't sound right. So right now it's starting at C. Sounds way much better. Right now we're gonna add some effects. So I'm gonna use an impact. So let's use this one. All original impacts. And then we're gonna add a snare to start off with our drum roll. So for example, let's use this one. So it should sound something like this. So right now we're gonna add some more toms. Tom and I'm processed. We're gonna select a low tom. Tom 4. I'm gonna paste it right here. Then we're gonna select a mid tom. This one. And we're gonna do something similar. We're gonna select 1/3 step. And you turn those ones up. And right now just add another tom, for example. This rebolo. Just to keep it a little bit more interesting. And now we're gonna add something which I haven't done before. So we're gonna add another shaker. A lot of shakers in this sample pack. So for example, let's use this one. So I've created something like this, which is really similar to the original track from Joeboy. But right now we have to add some more low frequencies. So in this case, I'm gonna use an ambient piano element. So I'm gonna use the Fruity DX10. I'm gonna use my ambient piano sample pack, which contains some presets, DX10. And for example, let's use log drum preset 4 from the sample pack. So the rhythm has to be something like this. Just gonna copy it again, twice. So right now it sounds like this. So right now I'm gonna add some swing around 20%. And that's it when it comes to creating all the elements. So right now I'm gonna create the final arrangement. It's gonna be a short arrangement, I think. And then I'm gonna show you the final result. So this is the final beat, and I've added some automation. So I've added some panning, and I've used this panning on the reverse chord. So I've reversed the chords. Those are just the simple chords without the notes in between. This one, and then I've reversed it like this. And I did a little bit of mixing when creating the arrangement, and I've created this panning. So I've created this sine wave panning, so it's going to the left and to the right. So right now I'm going to play the final beat. I hope you enjoy it. I think when it comes to this beat, the log drum really creates a bounce. The chorus playing. Just a small detail, but it's really uplifting. The reverse chorus. Now the outro part. As you can hear, it's going from the right to the left. And I've used this high cut filter, filtering out the high frequencies. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and the final result, and also make sure to check out the sample pack. It includes all the sounds which are used creating this beat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in one of my next tutorials.